Today we're checking out the Victure DL50 smart lock, which installs over your existing deadbolt. As you can see, you don't have to remove any of your existing hardware in order to install this. This device goes on real easy with a guide that posts right above the door. The mounting hardware has a very strong adhesive plate, so once you put that on there, you're set, but it does have a backup in case you need to remove it for any reason. The battery cover unlocks and locks here. This then lifts off for you to put in 4 AA batteries. The keypad holds 2 AA, so 6 total. Make sure you have those in advance so that you're ready for installing. There are 3 ways to get into the house through the lock. One is through a set code that you put in the app. By the way, a little helpful hint, you want to make sure to add your keypad as an accessory in the app after you install it, the Deadbolt app. So make sure that you do add that as an accessory. You'll be set. Once you add the accessory, you can put your permanent code in there. You can also add additional codes, and I'll explain that. So first of all, you can do regular code. So we're going to just do that real quick to lock the door. I've just set up a dummy code, so it's okay. You know, you can know my temporary passcode because I'm going to delete it. So we're going to go 987654 and then press the lock button, and now the door is secure. And to unlock it, we're going to repeat that same process, but press the unlock button. So you press the button on here to activate the keypad. I accidentally pressed the button, so let's see if that'll let us do it anyway. There we go. So 987654 unlock. This unlocks the keypad, and we're in the house. The other way you can do it is through the app. So we have the app pulled up on another phone here. I'm going to show you when you press the lock button, you're going to see the deadbolt lock. So let's press that. Perfect. And then unlock, of course. Oh, give that a second. Okay. Unlock is going to unlock the door. So you can use your phone for that as well. And then, like I said, in the app, it gives you the ability to set up codes in advance also. So this is my preferred method, honestly. If you want to let people into the house temporarily, you can also just set up multiples of these before you go out of town, so that you have one for the handyman, one for the air conditioner, one for, you know, whatever you need to have done. If you want to assign a virtual key that expires, you can do that also in the app. This will send your recipient an email, and they will need to download the Deadbolt app and register. Once they do that, they'll automatically be linked to your door. You can set a date and time for it to begin and end. So if you have a guest for one day and you don't want them to have access to the home after that, that's the way you're going to go. And that's pretty much it. I mean, this is all just adheres to the door with this adhesive. You got a couple of screws to kind of mount everything finally in place, and that's all.